Good morning, everyone. Welcome in our English class. Hope you all will fit and fine. So, students, take out page number 38 in our revision sheet. Today, we will do our grammar work of chapter 8, and the topic of grammar is possessive pronoun. Students, possessive pronouns so that something belongs to someone, यानी possessive pronouns किसी चीज़ का किसी चीज़ से क्या संबंध है, यानी वो उससे कैसे संबंधित है, ये हमें दर्शाता है. द possessive pronouns आर my, our, your, his, her, its and their. We use he, she, it, I, we and they in place of noun, यानी noun की जगह पर हम इन pronouns का यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि he, she, it, I, we और they. The possessive pronouns are as follows. I के लिए possessive pronouns क्या यूज़ करते हैं? Mine और my. With you, your. With he, his or him. With she, her. With it, its. With we, our. And with they, their. Now, we will complete these sentences using our, your, his, her, their and its. Now, look at question number 1. The dog wagged dash tail to show how happy he was. So, students, the noun is a dog, and for dog we use pronoun it. So, here we use possessive pronoun for a dog, its. Okay, students. Now, look at number 2. Suman has done dash craft work. So, now students, look, the noun is Suman and Suman is a girl. For Suman, we use pronoun she, and with she, we use possessive pronoun her. So, Suman has done her craft work. Okay. Now, look at number 3 sentence. We bought that house last year. It is dash. So, we bought this house. Who bought this house? We bought. And for this pronoun, we use possessive pronoun our. So, here we will use possessive pronoun our. It means we bought this house last year. It is our. Now, look at sentence number 4. This car belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Smith. It is dash. So, for Mr. and Mrs. Smith, which pronoun we will use? We will use the pronoun for Mr. and Mrs. Smith, they. And for they, we use possessive pronoun their. So, we will write here their. It means this car belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Smith. It is their. Now, look at next sentence. You must complete this dash drawing. So, student, first of all, look, this is the pronoun, and for this pronoun we use possessive pronoun your. It means here we use possessive pronoun your. You must complete your drawing. Now look at number 6 sentence. I have a new book. It is dash. So student, first of all look that this is a pronoun, and for this pronoun we use possessive pronoun mine and my. So here we will use, it means I have a new book, it is mine. Now look at the writing work of chapter 8. Complete the story using the clues in the bracket by using simple past tense. It means here is a story and we have clues in the brackets. Now we will change these clues in according to the simple past tense. For it, let's revise the rules based on simple past tense. So let's revise how do we change the verb in according to the simple past tense. In this sentence, we visited the grocery store yesterday. Visited. In this sentence, the visited is a simple past tense verb. It describes an action that has already happened. It means काम हो चुका है. We added D to action words ending in E. It means the verbs that ending in E, we add D to make it according to the past form. Like leave plus D, lived. Like plus D, liked. We double the last letters of some action words and add ed in some letters like stop. In this verb, we double the last letter, then we add ed to make it according to the simple past tense. Like plant. In this verb, we double the last letter, then we add ed to make it according to the past tense. If an action word ends in y, we change the y to I and add ed to it. It means if any action word that ends in y, then we change y in I and then we add ed to make it verb according to the past tense, like cry. Here we change y in I and then we add ed. So the spelling of cried is cried, cried. Like copy. Here its ending letter is y. So we change this y in I, then we add ed to make it according to the past verb. For some action words, we cannot add d or ed. When we are talking about actions that are complete, it means जो एक्शन complete हो गए हैं उनका पास्ट फॉर्म बनाने के लिए हम उसमें डी या ईडी नहीं ऐड करते हैं. लाइक ईट. ईट मीन्स खाना और एट मीन्स खाया. इट इज़ अ पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ईट. एट मीन्स खाया. काम हो चुका है. हियर द स्पेलिंग ऑफ its past form is totally changed, like buy, bought, tell, told. And you can see these rules in page number 30 and 31 in your revision sheet. Now look at the story. A young girl dash decide to grow a pumpkin in a jar. So the word in bracket is decide. And what is the past form of is decide? The past form of decide is decided. DECIDED, decided. She does plant pumpkin seeds in a field. So here the verb is plant. So we add ed in this verb. She planted pumpkin seed in a field. Soon a pumpkin vine does bracket में the verb is come out of the seed. The past form of come is came. Now take out page number 40. She does water the vine and does look after it carefully. She and the verb is in bracket is water. So we will add here ed to make it according to the past form. She watered the vine and look. So here we add ed to make it past form. In a few days, a small flower does appear on the vine, and the past form of appear is appeared. Look student, its ending letter is E. So here we add only D to make it past form. APPEARED, appeared. She does take a jar which does has a small mouth. She and the verb is take. So the past form of take is took. She took a jar which has, and the past form of has is had. A small mouth. She plays, and the past form of plays is placed. She placed the flower bud inside the jar. She does continue to water the vine, and the past form of continue is continued. CONTINUED, continued. After some weeks, the flower does turned, and the past form of turned is turned, TURNED, turned into a pumpkin. Very soon she does has, and the past form is has is had. Had a large pumpkin in the jar. She cut off the vine. She does present, and the past form of present is presented, PRESENTED, presented. She presented the pumpkin jar to a king. He was very happy.